Hi Fragrance Fam! It's me again, Aquamiles, and I'm back with another budget-friendly recommendation. This time it's from Axe Philippines as they launched their newest line of body sprays today. This is what they call Fine Fragrance Collection. And the first one is Emerald Sage. Ayan. Sobrang fresh nito guys. Ano to? Crisp, modern, and green. Ayan. Yan ang parang ang datingan niya ay classic, sophisticated classic. And the next one is Blue Lavender. Ito naman, fresh din to guys. Malamig to. Icy, clean, and smooth. Bagay na bagay ngayong summer. Diba sobrang init ngayon guys. So pag ito ginamit nyo, mare-refresh kayo. Sobrang refreshing nito. Tapos yung pangatlo na bago, Aqua Bergamot. Ito naman, sobrang fresh din. Pero ito, fresh aquatic. Clear, sparkling, parang fizzy siya. And may marine notes. Ayan. So sobrang fresh niya. At guys, ang pinakamaganda dito,